Good morning, children. Last class we have read about the chapter on eye problem. In that chapter, we have seen a story that once there was a princess who had some eye problem and she kept crying all the day and nobody she is allowing to treat her sore. But once a man came who was not at all doctor but he claimed to be a physician and he drive her attention towards other side, and after some days he noticed princess and her father, everyone, that eye problem has been cured. So this chapter is all about to ignore small problems of life and drive your attention towards the important part of the life. So let us see the other part of the chapter. A number of advertisements in magazines and on television may add to your woe. They show beauty products and hygiene related things along with the film heroes and heroines. Such advertisements can create in you an obsession with your appearance and give you painful experience. A large number of such advertisements are calculated to create in you a certain complex feeling which could make you go for the products. Do not be carried away by such deceptive ads. So students, whatever you are seeing in the television is not accurate and not true. Sometimes they are showing the things which is decepting you. So be careful, do not go towards that ads, and be true and be faithful towards your original life. The root cause of all the teenage problem we face is usually the absence of self-confidence. What you need is inner strength, and so you must believe in yourself. You are the only one who can take care of your problems. Start thinking well of yourself. Make your nerves strong. Stand on your feet and be the real you. You are what you think. If you think yourself weak, then you are weak. If you think you are strong, then you are strong. Think positive and be great. So everyone, students, every time we are listening from from our elders and everyone, think positive, think positive. Don't think negative. Why? Because whatever you are thinking, you will become like that only. Okay, so if you feel yourself strong, you will be strong. If you feel yourself weak, you will be weak. You have to be self-confident person. It is a time that you discover yourself. A great philosopher said, "Man who know thyself, have you ever thought of you, who you are? Ask yourself, who am I? Also ask, what am I?" You are precious and unique person. So children, God created us and we all are God's children. We all are unique in God's eyes. There is a lot of good in you. In many ways you are different from other people. God has created you as an individual person with a lots of love, care and concern. You are very dear to him. You are very special and very precious to your parents too. They love you and care for you very much. You are also special and important to your friends. Your presence gives them joy. So students, do not ever feel neglected and do not ever think like that nobody loves us. You are very special. Your parents, friends, neighbors, elders, brother and sister loves you so much, and above all, God loves you so much. You are a storehouse of many abilities and talents. Your personal growth will depend on how you utilize the great wealth of fine qualities in you. So, students, every one of us are gifted by God. Some unique gifts are there. So, it's depend on you how you utilize that wealth of gifts. The value you hold on to, the attitudes that you have, and your behavior pattern all depends on who you are and how you see and treat yourself. Your inner beauty lends a charm to how you appear on the outside. Self discovery is a difficult but important process. You must know yourself. Okay, self discovery means you must know yourself. You know much about ourselves from the way we relate ourselves to others and our environment. History is abundant with stories of great people who spent much time in the journey of self discovery. Once we know who we are and where we are heading to, we are able to direct our steps and guide on our course of action. So once we are knowing, if we know, if we'll understand who am I, who we are, we are able to guide ourselves in the direction what is the need of the life. So towards a small problem, you should ignore all the problems and you should direct yourself towards the important phase of life. Equipped with the right knowledge and self confidence, you will be succeeded in life. So success will be sure if you will equipped with the right knowledge and ignore small unwanted things. Okay students, so believe in yourself, feel good about yourself. So this chapter is all about these things. Next class you are going to get question answer of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.